Is your Epson XP-4100 not printing? Maybe the print job is stuck, the printer shows offline, or it prints blank pages. Don't worry, follow these steps one by one. You don't need to be a technical expert. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Print Smart Help for more easy-to-follow printer setup and troubleshooting videos. If you need additional help during the setup, simply call the support number shown on your screen. Step 1. Check the printer. First, make sure your Epson XP-4100 is turned on. Look at the printer screen. If you see a paper jam, ink, Wi-Fi, or other error message, fix that problem first. Next, check the paper. Make sure the paper is loaded correctly, and the paper guides are touching the edges without squeezing the paper. Also, remove any extra or damaged paper from the tray. Step 2. Cancel stuck print jobs. Now let's check your computer. On Windows, click Start. Open Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices. Then click Printers and Scanners. Find and select Epson XP-4100. Click Open Print Queue. If you see a document that says Printing, Pending, or Error, click the 3 dots next to it and select Cancel. If there are several documents, cancel all of them. Wait until the print queue is completely empty. Then send your document to print again. Step 3. Make sure the XP-4100 is the correct printer. Stay in Printers and Scanners. Select Epson XP-4100. Make sure Windows recognizes it and doesn't show an offline or disconnected message. If you have multiple printers installed, check that you're actually selecting Epson XP-4100 when printing. You can also set it as your default printer from the same settings page. Step 4. Check the Wi-Fi connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, check the printer's wireless connection. On the XP-4100, open the Wi-Fi setup or network settings and make sure it is connected to your home network. Your computer should also be connected to that same network. If the printer cannot connect, restart the printer and your Wi-Fi router. Wait about a minute for the router to come back online, then reconnect the printer. Step 5. Test the printer itself. Now let's find out whether the problem is with the printer or the computer. On the XP-4100, open Setup. Go to Maintenance. Select Nozzle Check and print the test pattern. If the nozzle check prints correctly, the printer hardware is probably working and the problem may be with Windows, the driver, or the connection. If the test pattern has missing lines or colors, continue with print head cleaning. Step 6. Clean the print head. From the same maintenance menu, select Print Head Cleaning. Follow the instructions on the printer screen. When cleaning finishes, print another nozzle check. If the pattern is still broken, you may need another cleaning cycle. But don't run cleaning continuously because it uses ink. Step 7. Reinstall the Epson software. If the printer still won't print, the driver or printer software may be damaged. On your computer, remove the Epson XP-4100 from Printers and Scanners. Then download the latest XP-4100 software and driver from the official Epson support website. Install the software again and follow the setup instructions. After installation, restart your computer and send a test print. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.